Adhere the EPDM membrane to the support at least 20 cm and all around the tube. Use the preferred support adhesion system. In this case, the SA008 Max adhesive is being used. Cut off around the perimeter of the drain and measure. Transfer the measurement to the Rollgum Form uncured strip and add 7.5 cm for the overlap. Cut off the strip along the mark, then cut the Rollgum Form piece in half. Thoroughly stir the Rollgum Primer before each use during installation. Apply the Rollgum Primer onto the field membrane as well as inside the drain. Extend at least 5 cm. Apply primer to the overlap area on the Rollgum Form uncured strip. Make sure the primer is dry by pressing with your finger. No threads should form when lifting your finger. Roll the uncured strip onto itself, leaving the overlap section with the primer on the outside. Remove the tip of the protection film and mark the center of the strip as a reference to start adhesion. Unroll and adhere the strip inside the drain while gradually removing the protection film. Carefully shape the uncured strip to the base using your fingertips. Press the contour and the entire surface with the system roller. Apply a bead of Bond 07 sealant along all edges. Finish by gently smoothing the bead using a spatula or a piece of EPDM.